Hello everyone, this is your Tech channel. Struggling to strip paint off your car? Give this clever trick a shot. It works surprisingly well. Painting a massive ship is no sweat when you've got solid teamwork like this. A half-cut plastic bottle turns into a welding mask. Simple, effective, and it shields your face perfectly. Let's be real, you'd totally want this awesome automatic screw feeder paired with an electric screwdriver. Crafting those huge pottery jars takes at least 2 people working together to nail it. Cleaning outside window glass is no hassle at all with this handy tool. This clever furniture design nests 4 small stools into one round stool, and they pull apart easily into separate seats whenever you need them. A machine lays train tracks and cement sleepers with impressive precision, boosting construction efficiency big time. thick sponge cushion absorbs the impact when barrels are unloaded from trucks, preventing cracks or rolling.
Oh God! Are you serious? Next time.
Have you ever seen a faucet this cool? Yeah, me neither.
We ready? Last time. Oh.
Two angled rods sort fruit by size into separate bins as they roll down give alike, if you love clever, simple sorting solutions.
Dawaj, dawaj. Cały łeb! Dawaj, cały łeb!
Tecnologia!
Artistic drilling and coring turn ordinary river rocks into elegant vases. Using just a rope or cloth, a worker spins and repositions a stuck tire with tension and torque, no extra tools needed.
看看这女的挺专啊，这绝地都没有颈椎病啊！我去，还往上放着10块了。
How cool is this awesome invention? Concrete poured into rebar molds forms strong decorative banister-shaped fence panels. Subscribe for more builds like this. Glassmaking blends skillful technique with artistic vision for truly stunning results. A man battles a leaking barrel until his friend hands him strong sealing tape, stopping the leak instantly. This multifunctional armchair transforms into a recliner with one smooth motion, maximizing space while easily supporting full body weight without deforming. This nifty device keeps snow off you and protects your shingles from damage at the same time. Using plastic bottles and a flame, this setup creates a vacuum suction effect, some seriously creative problem solving. Pears are carefully placed and shaped into a curved form by a pressing tool. Sweet bean paste is molded into intricate patterns for stunning mooncakes. A machine stretches tires for seamless wheel installation, making the whole process effortless. A fork helps guide a tricky zipper slider, making it way easier to get it in place.